What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati Chaturvedi. I hope you all are happy, doing great. So in this video, I'll be talking about Visitor Visa, which is B1, B2 category of visa. People who come to US for traveling purpose, they applied for Visitor Visa, which falls in the category of B1, B2. So I'll be sharing with you all question and answers, most frequently asked question and answers during the visitor visa process, and also I'm going to share with you all because my family got the visitor visa, so I'm going to share their experience as well. So if you're planning to apply for visitor visa to United States, this video is right for you. Please continue watching the whole video. I'm going to share a lot of information. So let's start. So I would like to start the video with a tip. Whichever interview it is, be it F1, B1, B2 or any other visa, you should always arrive well in advance at the consulate so that by the time, if you reach late, you don't know like where to go and you get lost at the last moment. So it's better to reach well in advance, and you should know where to go to avoid last minute rushes or risk. And the second most important tip I would like to share with you all is be confident. No matter who is taking your interview, be it a male or a female, just be confident and give it your best and you will get the visa for sure. So the question and answers that I'm gonna share with you in this video are definitely gonna help you, but if you are confident and you know your goal, what you're gonna do, you will get the visa for sure. Doesn't matter what question pops up. So confidence and smiling face is the key to success. Now, without taking much of your time, let me start with the question and answers. Let's move forward. So the first thing that visa officer is gonna ask you is for your passport. While handing over the passport, do not just give it like this. Smile, be confident and greet him or her. Hi, hello, how are you? Here you go. Just maintain eye contact even while giving the passport, because if you maintain confidence in the initial stage of the interview, you're gonna rock it and you will get the visa for sure. So I would recommend be confident and do not just fumble or shiver. Have faith in you. It shows you're a confident person, and I truly believe first impression is the last impression. So during the interview, make sure your first impression is amazing. So the second question they may ask you is, how long do you intend to stay in US? This is one of the important questions asked during the visa interview for visitor visa, and it is very often asked question. So I would recommend prepare it really nice, and this is how I would answer this question, that I intend to stay in US for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks or maybe 6 weeks, and I would additionally mention that I've already booked my itinerary and this is the date I'm leaving and this is the date I'm returning back. So it is very important to mention that you're returning back on so date. So while giving the date, it not only provides visa officer the information how planned your trip is, but also gives him the confidence or the idea that you have plans of coming back, because a lot of time people apply for visitor visa and then they just stay back, which is not right. So if you explain your answer in a way that includes all the information, you should be good to get the visa. So the next important question that is often asked during the interview, which is, what is the purpose of your trip? I think this is a very important question and needs to be answered very accurately and clearly, because this can make or break your interview, as visitor visa is only for the limited amount of time. So there are a couple of things that you need to take care while answering this question. So the first thing that you need to take care is you should be able to clearly explain the reason of your travel, which could be, as you are applying for visitor visa, which is categorized into two, business and pleasure. So I'm not going to talk about business in this video. I'm only going to talk about pleasure. So pleasure includes traveling United States for sightseeing, for meeting friends. So your reason should be solid enough. So the next question that they may ask you is, what do you do? Like, what's your occupation? What do you do for a living? So to answer these questions, you may answer it as, for example, I work as a quality engineer in Infosys or whichever company you work in. I'm just giving you an example. So when you let the visa officer know that you work as XYZ and you work in XYZ company, they might ask you a follow-up question that you are working. How are you able to travel to US? How are you able to manage? So you must answer, you must be prepared to answer that question as well, that I have taken a 2-week leave from my office and That's why I'm planning to travel to US for traveling purpose, for sightseeing, and I had been planning to get a vacation for a long time. Finally, I got some time off from my work life, so I'm planning to travel, and that's how you can answer this question. And if you are enrolled in school, you can mention that as well, that I am studying. For example, my sister and brother, then when they came here, this question was asked to them and they just said that I'm in 9th standard, I'm in 11th standard, my summer vacation is going on, and that's the reason I'm going to meet my sister. So just keep it honest, keep it straightforward, and you should be good. The next question that they may ask you is, who are you traveling with? So if you're traveling by yourself, you can just say that I'm traveling by myself, and you can just say that, short and simple. In case you're traveling with your family, you should mention it that I'm traveling with my mom, I'm traveling with my dad, or I'm traveling with my siblings, which was the case when my family applied for the interview. My siblings were coming with my dad, so they appeared for the interview together and they were traveling together, so they did mention it during the interview process. So after you let them know that you're traveling with your family or you're traveling just by yourself, there could be a follow-up question to it, which is, where are you planning to stay? So you need to have address and you should be prepared well in advance about it, like where exactly you're planning to stay once you reach there. So the next question could be, have you been to US before? So if you have been there, then let them know, like, when did you go, what did you do, and what was the purpose of your travel that point of time. And if you haven't been there, then the answer is simply no. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Good luck to all the people who are planning to apply for visitor visa or who have already booked their dates. Best of luck. I hope you all get it. Just keep smiling, be confident. That's the key. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I'll continue making these kind of videos, this kind of informational video. Please, I would recommend, please comment down below and suggest me what should I make next. How can I help you? So that's all for now. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.